how to find page post, comments, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page post, comment, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook and then just click these three lines in the top corner and scroll down until you find pages, and then select your page here. And now just click this icon settings here and click notifications and click on Facebook, and here here you will find it, new post, comment. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.